Welcome to another sound demo video, guys, and this time this is Meze 99 Neo. So just let me show you the stuffs in the box. These are the headphones with leather bands and a metallic ring. Very soft and plushy ear pads. And these are original Meze cables, 3.5 mm. These are unbalanced, and then these are Meze original balanced cables with 2.5 mm jack. jack. So I was using this cable with the portable DAC like iBasso DC01. Then this is 6.3 mm adapter, then airplane adapter. So these are closed back headphones. The Meze, they have 99 Neos and 99 Classics as well. So these are Neos. Classics one, they have wooden ear cups, but these are plastic. And as you can see, the headband is quite soft, and these are very comfortable for long use. Only drawback in build quality is the cushions. Actually, these are not quite deep, and because of these cushions, some people will find the sound quality of these as muddy or boomy. Like the bass will be boomy, and a bit of there is less texture to the bass, and a bit more of a muddy bass because of these. So you can just strap them with the HM5's velour pads or leather pads. You can get it from Amazon easily. And I have tried and tested these with the HM5 pads, and the sound signature changes a bit. I mean, the bass becomes less boomy, and the audio quality improves. So let me just tell you about the technical specification of these headphones. So these headphones, they have 40 mm transducer size, driver size. Frequency response is 15 Hz to 25 kHz. Sensitivity is 103 dB, and they are quite loud. So anything above with any headphones with the sensitivity above 100 dB are quite loud actually, and you can use them with your mobile phones and other portable players easily. No need of any extra amplifier or DAC. And impedance is also 26 ohms. Then they have a detachable OFC cable. Then the weight of these headphones are 260 grams. So on the screen you can see the frequency response, which is given in Meze website. So as for the frequency response is concerned, I found the frequency curve is a bit of a V shape with more emphasis on low ends. Overall, the sound signature and sound quality is quite enjoyable, and it is suitable for every kind of music actually. So if you like thumpy bass and then clear vocals, so this will be good actually. And one more thing the Meze has given is each and every part of these headphones are user replaceable. You can see the screws are given, and you can order all the spare parts and accessories from the Meze websites directly. And that's it. So this is just very short introduction to these headphones. I think many of the people would have been using these headphones, and I am also using these headphones from the past, I think, more than 1 year. So I don't use them in my travel, but generally in my home I use these headphones for music and gaming as well. So these are quite suitable for gaming also. So let's just quickly jump to the sound demo of these headphones, and then you can decide whether to buy these or not, or the sound signature of these headphones are suitable for you or not. So let's go, guys.